It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
with detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.
A very good evening, all of you guys. Am I audible to you? Please kindly confirm my audio, video, everything is fine. Okay. So today we are going to do some mind-blowing questions, undoubtedly. Those questions you might have, you need to brainstorm a lot to answer them. Okay. You know the concept, but you need to think a lot to answer these questions. Believe in me. Okay. So let's start the session. Thank you, Suleik. Chalo. So this is the last session of this particular series for this month. Maybe next month I may start new series or I may extend this. These things we'll discuss little later. So let's start the session. Okay. So let me introduce myself. This is Bhima Sankar. I did my Mtech from IIT Kharagpur. I have 10 years of teaching experience in GATE and ESE throughout the country. I'm expertise with the subjects of digital circuits, network analysis, and microprocessors. In the last 10, 11 years, I taught to several thousands of students like you people throughout the country. So with my experience, I'm able to guide many students to reach their dreams. And today also, I'll be helping you with my session in a different way. That is through by giving you some topmost possible interview or written test questions in the core companies from the digital circuits. So an academy price is going to hike in few days, guys. You want to beat the hike. So few things you need to know. So first thing is an academy iconic subscription is price is reduced by 21%. This you should know, and these are the prices you are having in the right now. Okay, and you can use my code Shankar10 to avail 10% discount. And these are the prices of plus subscription, and these are also going to hike soon. That is within 2-3 days it is going to hike. So available time को अच्छे से utilize करो. May 31st से पहले आप subscription ले लिया तो you will be saving this much amount. Okay, I mean this much amount, and you will be getting for this price by using the code. Right. चलो. So we have the questions ready for you guys. So I will be discussing one by one all the questions because you cannot read all of them. I know. Okay. So there are some basic questions like what are the basic applications of the flip-flop, all those things. Let me skip that. The first simple question I want to discuss here is design a D latch using 2x1 mux. Design a D latch using 2x1 mux. Yeah, please try this. You can say this answer. Sir, how can I draw the figure and show you, sir? No need. You can tell me what are the inputs I need to give. Sir, clock input. Yes, 2x1 mux को 3 input होता है ना. Selection input I0 I1. Selection input में क्या देना? Yes, I0 में क्या देना? I1 पे क्या देना? आप बताओ. Okay, you need to tell me selection input what I need to give, I0 what I need to give, I1 what I need to give. Good evening, Suresh. Okay, so please answer the question. I'm waiting for your solution. Chalo, let's start. Right. Okay, Rajat Kumar, trying the question. Please try to solve it. Looking for your answer, guys. I'm just waiting. So let me give you the time so that you can save the time. I mean, I can save the time. Let me give you the timer. So I'm fixing the timer here for you. So let me give you 1.5 minute. Right. You just think it's not much difficult. Okay. Waiting for your comments. Very simple question यार थोड़ा सा सोच लो you'll be able to answer 50 seconds more. Please give a try. Just think clock what it need to do. Clock equal to 1, your output is equal to t. Clock equal to 0. A very simple question यार. Please think. This much simple question. थोड़ा सा सोच लो you will be able to answer. I know it. D to the selection line and 0 and 1 at I naught I1. No, wrong answer. Tushar. Then it will give you whatever you have at the D. D0 है तो 0 आएगा, D1 है तो 1 आएगा. But how do it work like a sequential circuit? It will be like a combinational circuit. Time forever. Okay, right. चलो. Any other? Tushar तो दिया right wrong answer. So any other right answer from you? Any other answer? Just one moment. चल. Right. Let me show you guys. आप लोग के लिए आंसर मैं दे रहा हूं. Okay. Say this is a 2 by 1 marks. Here my control input is a clock. So take selection input equal to clock. So when the clock is 0, your output should be same as the previous value. This is where you need to take the output or Q. Okay. When clock is 1, it will read the input. Itna आसान question. Please listen here. If you are not able to answer this also, थोड़ा सा सोच लो भाई. आपका brain अच्छे से apply किया तो you will be able to answer it. This is how you can make a D latch using 2 by 1 marks. We never think in this particular direction. Otherwise, it is not at all difficult. Clock to the selection line, D at the I1, and very good, Tushar. Perfectly right answer. Perfectly right answer. बाकी लोग भी try करो यार. Other people also please give a try. I will be very happy if you are able to try it. So let's move for the next question. Okay, so uh, master slave D flip flop using D latch, we discussed it in the regular class. Transparent latch, आपको पता है. All those basics which we know, we am not discussing. The race around condition in the JK flip flop, can you explain it? That we know it, right? So the next one, what is excitation table? Excitation table of the D flip flop. Draw the circuit of the D flip flop with reset. Okay, T flip flop from D flip flop. Okay. So if you have a D flip-flop and mux and inverter, can you make a G flip? All these questions are very easy. Characteristic table and equation. This is the very good question. It may take more time to solve this question, but I will solve it. इसके पहले, shall we do this question? Then we will move for that question. ठीक है? ये question तो आप लोग try करना चाहिए. Similar model to what we have discussed now. ठीक है? Similar model to what we have discussed now. Okay, guys, listen here. You need to design using D flip-flop and minimum number of 2 by 1 mux. Implement this flip-flop which have 3 inputs X, Y, Z. When X, Y, Z equal to 000 to 111, your output in the next state will be 1001 QT, QT bar, QT bar, QT. थोड़ा सा सोच लो how you are able to going to do this. Let me check. So please give a try. Please give a try and find the solution for this question. Question is clear. कुछ question पे आपको clarification चाहिए तो बताओ, मैं happy to help you. एक्सलेंट क्वेश्चन यार. थोड़ा सा हिंट चाहिए तो देता हूं. मैंने हिंट चाहिए. आप केवल ये बताना चाहिए कितना मक्स चाहिए टू डू दिस जॉब. ये बात बताओ, बाकी तो मैं एक्सप्लेन करता हूं. ओके, मेरे को आपका व्हाट वी कॉल एक्टिव पार्टिसिपेशन इज रिक्वायर्ड. So you people please what we call participate actively and assume this is an interview, this is a written test. How you are going to solve? I don't know, I leave it. ऐसा attitude तो नहीं चलेगा. अब try तो करना चाहिए. Okay, please give a try. Sir, 7 2 by 1 mux. 7 2 by 1 mux तो नहीं चाहिए भाई तुषार. But keep trying. Okay. Any other? Very good, Cosmos. Right answer. 3 multiplexers are required. 2 by 1 multiplexer. ठीक है. I will be solving this question. I am giving you 1 more minute more. Finally, कुछ I mean, you want to comment your way of solution, logic क्या ऐसा बताना चाहिए तो you can say. Otherwise, I will explain it. मेरा explanation के बाद आप cross check कर सकते हैं आपका answer. ठीक है? I have many questions like this on different topics, including your state machines. सारे questions करना तो बहुत मुश्किल है. जितना भी possible उतना तो मैं try कर रहा हूँ. थोड़ा सा पानी लेता हूँ. ओके, टाइम अप, 3 सेकंड्स बाकी है। ठीक है, चलो, लेट मी एक्सप्लेन द थिंग्स। हियर यू ऑब्जर्व, व्हेन x इक्वल टू 0 and x इक्वल टू 1, टू कंडीशंस यू टेक। वेरा x 0 है तो इतना आसान है, आप सोचना स्टार्ट किया तो इफ यू स्टार्ट थिंकिंग इन द वे यू विल बी एबल टू डू इट अनडाउटेडली। गाइस, लिसन केयरफुली। When x equal to 0, yz can be 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. You will be getting 1 1 1 0 0 1. It is nothing but your output is equal to y x nor z. When x equal to 0, your output is same as y x nor z. ठीक है? So clock का information तो नहीं दिया, आप लोग भी छोड़ दे। x में भी working as a clock, we don't know. Okay, examiner जो दिया ना वो ले रहा हूँ हमने। When x equal to 1, you see here. When it is 0 0 and 1 1, that is indirectly XNOR operation is giving you Q, and otherwise Q bar. I will show you how to do it. Firstly, how to make a XNOR, that is y bar z bar plus yz using 2 by 1 mux s bar I naught plus s I1. How to do this? Yes bar, yes bar, yes bar, yes is a, suppose y bar z bar plus y z. So I naught तो z bar होना चाहिए, I1 equal to z. You know this technique which we discussed in the regular class. हम तो regular class में already discuss किया ये वाला technique, तो ठीक है। So take a 2 by 1 marks. थोड़ा सा नीचे करता हूँ, नहीं है तो I'll move like this. Take a 2 by 1 marks. Y naught equal to z bar and z. आप ये भी बोल सकते हैं सर यहीं पे z bar के लिए दूसरा 2 another marks चाहिए। maybe it required, you may use another marks for that. In that case you may require one more marks. Okay, चलो, this will give me y x nor z. Okay, now please listen, you take another 2 by 1 marks. When x equal to 0, okay, it should give you this one, understand? And this is your q. Okay, q of t, q, whatever you want you can call it. When x equal to 1, please listen, when x equal to 1, it should give you like this. You take another 2 by 1 marks, its ka inputs must be q and q bar. Okay, सो क्यू बार के लिए भी आप मक्स से इंप्लीमेंट करना चाहिए तो यू मे नीड वन इन्वर्टर, दैट्स अ डिफरेंट केस। ओके, सो एग्जामिनर तो डी फ्लिप फ्लॉप यूज करना चाहिए एग्जामिनर। ठीक है, 1 मिनट। सो डी फ्लिप फ्लॉप में क्या होता है सर, वॉट एवर यू गिव द इनपुट दैट विल बी योर आउटपुट, राइट? 1 just 1 minute। x equal to 0, this one. When x equal to 1, you should connect to here, and this is to be connected here. Now see here, when y x nor z equal to 1, that is when it is 0 0 or 1 1, ये case में you should get q, that is here y x nor z is 1, you should give you q, and that is here it should be 1 minute, q bar and q. Okay, q and q bar, and this should be given as the input to the D flip flop. Got it? And your q bar and q, I'm showing this. हो गया काम? Okay, if you take this also as a marks, maybe you require 4 marks. नहीं है तो 3 marks से हमारा काम हो रहा है. मैं explain कर रहा हूँ, थोड़ा सा सोच लो, listen carefully. When x equal to 0, sorry, when x equal to 0, ये वाला marks क्या देता है सर? ये part, that is y x nor z as the output. हो गया काम. D flip flop में आप input में क्या दिया तो वो आएगा output में. Done. Next, when x equal to what we call 1, this line is connected to this one, that is here when x equal to 1, for 0 0 and 1 1 you giving q, that is y x nor z is equal to true, then q, y x nor z is not true, then q bar, simply. So I take this, when this is true I will connect, that is q, otherwise q bar. Okay, anybody have any doubt, feel free to ask me, otherwise this is the solution. I hope you understand. Please comment, I will be very happy if you are able to comment it. Do you understand the solution or not? Please respond. Yes तुषार, बाकी लोग भी comment करो यार, I will be very happy to see your comments. मेरा प्रोफाइल का लिंक है Unacademy, I mean you can see in the chat box, you can join that link for following me on Unacademy app. Okay, so बाकी लोग थोड़ा सा comment करो यार, it will be a boost like for me, I will be very happy. So I hope you understand the solution. Yes or no? ऐसा सोचना चाहिए solution के लिए, right? Let's go further. So toggle switch is D flip flop, delay के लिए D flip flop यूज करते हैं, दोनों आंसर्स आपको पता है, ठीक है, छोड़ दो. Now the real question तो आ रहा है भाई, ठीक है. So the real question तो आ रहा है. It's really a great question. आप लोग थोड़ा सा सोच के मेरा को आंसर दे दो. One more fantastic question. Undoubtedly the best question. Okay, so try to solve this question. Characteristic table and characteristic equation of JK flip-flop चाहिए. Okay, you need to make a JK flip-flop using 2/1 marks. ये सभी क्वेश्चंस आप लोग आसान से कर सकते हैं. If you have attended my class already, you might be done with this. Now, read this question. ठीक है. So थोड़ा सा आंसर दे दो. चलो, I am waiting for your solution. Read the question first. Okay, read the question first. You have firstly many people fail to read the question and 50% of the people ऐसा है, थोड़ा सा पढ़ने के बाद ये सोचते, अरे भाई ये तो बहुत दिक्कत वाला काम है, मैंने मेरे से नहीं हो पाएगा, ये तो बहुत डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन, हाई स्टैंडर्ड क्वेश्चन, ऐसा सोचते. कम लोग ऐसा सोचते. मैं तो I don't want to give you question and solution, it doesn't make any sense guys. I want to give you the problem solving skill. So 90% of the problems ka solutions are very easy. 90% of the questions problems ka solutions are very easy. Only thing is you understand the question, start doing, 50% of your solution is done by that time. 50% of solution is done by that time. Keep believe in me. Okay, so let's do it. So we have a circular wheel with half painted with black and half painted with what we call white. Okay, मेरा पास एक सर्कुलर व्हील है भाई, अर्धा व्हाइट से पेंट किया, अर्धा ब्लैक से पेंट किया, ठीक है. देर आर टू सेंसर्स माउंटेड एट 45 डिग्रीज अपार्ट ऑफ द सरफेस. सो दोनों का बीच में 45 डिग्रीज एंगल है भाई, ठीक है. एंड दिस व्हील, ओके, आई मीन सेंसर्स जो है ना, दोज आर नॉट टचिंग द व्हील. व्हील तो मूव हो रहा है, सेंसर इज रीडिंग समथिंग, वट एवर मे बी. Sensor, if it reads the black color, it will give you 1, अगर सेंसर में व्हाइट कलर देखेंगे तो वो तो जीरो देता है भाई, ठीक है भाई। तो एक डी फ्लिप फ्लॉप यूज करके डिजाइन करना चाहिए एंड डिटेक्ट वेदर द व्हील इज मूविंग इन क्लॉकवाइज और एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. If any student can able to answer this question, I will be very happy. I can assure that that particular student will be definitely having a great IQ or great common sense, and you will be definitely selected in your whatever the job you are trying. Okay, believe in me. This is a challenging question. Please give a try. So question पे कुछ दिक्कत है तो फिर भी एक बार you can ask me. I am able to help you. So if you have any difficulty with the question, feel free to ask. Sir, one doubt. When both have different color than DC condition. यार AC DC ऐसा नहीं भाई. केवल मेरा पास एक wheel. ठीक है. I'll explain you the question with the diagram properly. ठीक है. ये मेरा सर्किल है. ठीक है. मैं तो अर्धा किया जो मैं तो अर्धा. One for black, one for white. ठीक है. आप सोचना शुरू करो. मैं तो जस्ट डायग्राम ड्रा करने के लिए टाइम लगेगा ना, वो तो वो टाइम सेव कर रहा हूँ. Okay. If you are able to answer something, I want to read. Otherwise, I'll answer. Sir, one doubt. When both have color, different color, then they don't care condition. Uh, that you decide. It may not be a don't care condition. That will be 1-0 ना. If both have different colors. See, examiner तो ये बोल रहा है black तो 1, 0 तो white. If it is like this, मेरा दोनों sensors ऐसा है तो मेरे को 1-0 आएगा. If my sensors are placed here and here, maybe 0-0 आएगा. Here 0-1 आएगा. Here 1-1 आएगा. Understand? Based on the sensor. Now, if it is moving, it may generate a particular type of pattern based on clockwise or anti-clockwise. मेरे को ये चाहिए. Okay? Anybody? राहुल, मेरा टेलीग्राम ग्रुप एंड क्रिएट्रिक्स टेलीग्राम ग्रुप जो है ना, फॉलो करो यार। हमेशा मैं क्लास लेने के पहले हमेशा हमेशा आई विल इन्फॉर्म ऑन द क्रिएट्रिक्स टेलीग्राम ग्रुप एंड हमारा ऑफिशियल गेट एस्पिरेंट्स एंड ऑल्सो हमारा अनअकैडमी कम्युनिटी, सभी पे मैं अपडेट देता हूँ हमेशा बिफोर टेकिंग द सेशन। ओके राहुल, नो इश्यू। ओके, मैं तो वेट कर रहा हूँ तुषार, बाकी लोग भी बताओ यार, ट्राई तो करो यार। आई विल बी मोर हैप्पी इफ यू कीप ऑन ट्राइंग। आंसर तो आ सकते नहीं आ सकते, इट डजेंट मैटर यार। थोड़ा सा आई मीन अप टू सम एक्सटेंट इट मे बी करेक्ट। ओके, बट 0 0 के बाद 0 1, you don't, it depends on the initial position also na, it can be here, say both are zeros। okay, so if it is here and here, थोड़ा सा टिल्ट हुआ तो 0 1 आएगा, ये ऐसा टिल्ट हुआ तो भी 0 1 आएगा। ओके, सोच लो, इट माइट बी करेक्ट अप टू सर्टेन एक्सटेंट, थोड़ा सा आगे सोच लो। up to some point I can say it's good। sorry, shall I do it? Okay, okay, I'll give you lastly uh, 1 more minute to think, other after that I will be answering the question। okay, क्वेश्चन इज रॉन्ग, ऐसा क्यों आ रही है? क्वेश्चन हमको आंसर नहीं पता तो क्वेश्चन रॉन्ग होता है क्या? क्वेश्चन नहीं, ये तो एप्लीकेशन है भाई। आप जो डिजिटल में पढ़ा ना, इसका एप्लीकेशन। ओके, say this, I have a wheel which is moving in this direction, okay, or in this direction. I need to detect the direction of the wheel. This is a practical application of what you have studied। okay, so Tushar, you have tried, it's good। okay, up to some level it's really correct। okay, but I will give you the exact answer, don't worry। so last 10 seconds for you guys। if you like the session, share this to maximum। this is what you want to, you can do। okay, I'm very happy। so chalo guys, ब्लैक कितना दिया एग्जामिनर? ब्लैक तो 1, वाइट तो 0। ठीक है, I have two sensors, the sensor 1 and sensor 2। I will connect one sensor to I mean, let me read it first। say S1 S2 ले लो। okay, first you assume it can be clockwise direction, it can be anti-clockwise direction। ठीक है, say the sensors are like this with 45 degrees angle। okay, so each part is how much? 22.5 degrees। why I am saying this math, there is a meaning for this, there is a reason for this। I am going to explain that, don't worry। chalo here। okay, so firstly, initially suppose assume if it is going in a clockwise direction, एंटी क्लॉक और काउंटर क्लॉक भी हम एज्यूम कर सकते हैं। सो आई क्लॉकवाइज जा रहा है, क्लॉक का मतलब क्या? ऐसा जा रहा है। ओके, सो ऐसा जाएंगे तो इनिशियली दिस इज एट वाइट इज 0 ना, इनिशियली दिस इज एट 0, दिस इज एट 1, राइट? देन ओके, लिसन केयरफुली, हाफ सर्किल कितना? ये 180 डिग्रीज, ये हाफ सर्किल कितना? 180 डिग्रीज। ओके, राइट? सो यू अंडरस्टैंड। ओके, ब्लैक तो 1 है ना, सो S2 इज इनिशियली 1, S1 इज इनिशियली 0। सो थोड़ा सा टाइम के बाद कितना टाइम, मैं तो एंगल में बात कर रहा हूँ, 22.5 डिग्रीज के बाद 22.5 डिग्रीज टिल्ट हो गया तो क्या होता है सर, मेरा ये पोजीशन जो है ना, ये व्हील यहीं पे आएगा, मेरा व्हील जो है ना 22.5 डिग्रीज के बाद यहीं से यहीं तक आएगा, देन बोथ विल बी वाइट, देन दिस वन विल बिकम जीरो, this one will become 0, understand, and this will stay at 0 only. Okay, now when this will become 1, can you comment? If you are able to comment also, I will be very happy. This is 22.5 degrees and this baki kitna hota hai sir, angle 180 minus 22.5 degrees. Okay, say 160 157.5. Okay, 157.5 degrees है भाई ये बात, understand? This is it clear? Is it clear? Right? So 157.5 degrees के बाद ये black जो है ना यहीं पे आएगा and this will become 1. Got it? This is 1 minute. कितना? 157.5 डिग्रीज के बाद. ओके, उस समय तक ये वाइट यहीं पे होता है. देन व्हाट हैपेंस, दिस इज द कंडीशन ऑफ S1 S2. नाउ ये ब्लैक यहीं पे आएगा, थोड़ा सा टाइम के बाद अगेन 22.5 डिग्रीज के बाद ये यहीं पे आएगा, दैट इज हियर दिस विल बी another 22.5, this will also become 1, total is 180 degrees and this cycle will continue. Okay, it's not a 1 mark question or 2 mark question to explain in 2 minutes, it's an interview question guys. Okay, चलो, बिकॉज गेट में पढ़ के बाद आप लोग ऐसा सोचना शुरू किया हर क्वेश्चन का सॉल्यूशन 2 मिनट में होना चाहिए. ठीक है, सो 180 डिग्रीज के बाद ये तो रिपीट हो जाएगा काम साइक्लिकली. ओके, आफ्टर अनदर 180 डिग्री, सो दिस विल आल्सो डू द सेम. ओके, this is what happens when it is clockwise direction. ठीक है, अगर क्लॉकवाइज जाएंगे तो S1 का S2 का आउटपुट ये होता है भाई. ठीक है, राइट? इज इट ओके? वेरी गुड तुषार. चलो, अगर एंटी क्लॉकवाइज है तो क्या होता है, थोड़ा सा ओके कॉम्प्लेक्स क्वेश्चन, बट आई विल एक्सप्लेन इन द इजीएस्ट वे. सो लेट मी ड्रॉ इट, देन आई विल गिव यू कंक्लूजन. ओके, आई होप यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड ना. एनीवे ड्राइंग पे ज़्यादा आई मीन ये नहीं देता हूँ मैंने. ओके, राइट, अगेन सेम स्टोरी, थोड़ा सा फास्टली क्विकली मैं आंसर का एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूँ. ओके, सो जस्ट नेम्स तो सेम लेना चाहिए. S1 S2. Suppose if it is moving in anti-clockwise direction, ठीक है, anti-clockwise का minus मतलब ये सब move हो रहा है. So initially if it will be at 0, okay, white का 0, red का 1, same, ये कितना 22.5, ये कितना 22.5, ये बाकी तो कितना होता है सर 157.25, ये बाकी तो कितना होता है सर 157.5, ठीक है, ये एंगल, ओके. ठीक है, थोड़ा सा ज्योमेट्री हो रहा है. सो इफ आई मूव दिस नाउ व्हाट हैपेंस, दिस इज एट 0, दिस इज एट 1. सो मैं तो थोड़ा सा समय के बाद दोनों 1 हो जाएगा ना. कितना समय के बाद 22.5 डिग्रीज के बाद, ओके, दिस विल आल्सो गो टू 1. ये भी 1 हो रहा है, ये तो 0 पे ही है, ओके, ये भी, ये तो 0, सॉरी, ये तो ऑलरेडी 1 पे है, ओके. सो दिस विल स्टे फॉर 157.5 degrees and becomes 0, right? And this will be for 180 degrees, okay. Then this will be again 22.5 degrees and it repeats the same story, okay. ओके सर, अब आप क्या बोलना चाहिए अभी, लिसन हियर. Suppose you take S1 as your clock, S2 as the input. During the clock, when the clock is edge, what is its value? 1. During the edge of the clock, what is its value? हमेशा 1 हो रहा है, ठीक है सर. थोड़ा सा आगे जाओ ऊपर. Suppose if I take S1 as my clock, okay, S2 as something. Now listen here. At the edge of the clock, what is S2? 0. ठीक है, ये स्टोरी तो रिपीट हो रहा है भाई. ओके, एट द एज ऑफ द क्लॉक ये हमेशा 0, राइट. नाउ काम हो गया, काम बहुत आसान हो गया. कैसा? चलो, मैंने एक फ्लिप फ्लॉप ले रहा हूं, S1 क्लॉक दिया एंड S2 इनपुट में दिया, ठीक है, टू द D फ्लिप फ्लॉप, ठीक है. सो if Q equal to 1, क्योंकि S1 is the edge of the clock, when S1 of the edge में ये 1 आपको आएंगे तो इसका मतलब एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन. Q 0 है तो क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन. दैट्स ऑल, ठीक है. इतना कॉम्प्लेक्स क्वेश्चन इतना आसान से सॉल्व हो गया once you start doing the question. Once you start doing the question, it's a very easy question undoubtedly. If you have started thinking, it's not at all difficult question, ठीक है. So is this clear guys? बताओ यार, comment your I mean your response. I want to listen. Are you happy with this? Okay, maybe I solve less number of questions, quality questions we are doing, okay, complex questions we are doing. This is how you can use your knowledge of the sequential circuits to solve the problems, okay. So is this question very clear to everyone? Solution please comment here. Thank you Tushar, thank you Rahul, okay. सॉल्यूशन में कुछ दिक्कत डाउट है तो बताओ, कुछ भी नहीं है तो मैं आगे जाता हूँ नेक्स्ट वाला क्वेश्चन, ओके. सो समय भी हो रहा है. right? Chalo. Thank you. Right. Let's go for the next question. ये तो रेगुलर क्वेश्चन है, आप लोग तो आसान से सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. दिस इज द क्वेश्चन गिवन. आई होप दिस इज द क्वेश्चन विच वी डिस्कस्ड इन अवर रेगुलर क्लास ऑल्सो ड्यूरिंग द FSM, right? Present state, next state, x equal to 0 or 1 पे examiner का question is reduce the state table, draw the output. Okay, what is that? I mean, draw the output before reduction, after reduction for the given input sequence. I think this is not a difficult thing. आप लोग तो कर सकते हैं क्योंकि हम regular class में already किया. Time है तो मैं solve करता हूँ. But now we solve this question, which is a complex question. Design FSM to detect more than one in last three samples. If you read the last three samples, if you have at least two ones, your output must be one. So if you read these three, no. If you read these three, yes, two ones are there, that's why one. If you read the previous three, okay, read three ones. Three ones पे two ones है तो कम से कम up one देना चाहिए. If you read these three bits, at least two ones. If you read these three bits, at least two ones. If you read these three, no. If you read these three, no. You understand? If you read three bits consecutively, at least two bits are one, your output must be one. Okay. So can you think of this question and try to draw the state diagram? I will anyway explain it, but आप लोग भी try तो करना चाहिए ना. So give it a try. Okay. How many states are required? You can start from one state and solve it. So give it a try. Okay. Okay, let me do it here. Here, if you take three bits 0, 0, 0, the possibilities I am taking. At least two ones वाला cases क्या है भाई? These are the cases 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. All these cases where I need to give 1 in the output. Okay, so start with 0. Okay, yes not का मतलब is 0. Okay, if 0 comes, I wait here. Okay, if 1 comes, I'll move to the next state. Yes 1. Yes 1 का मतलब 1 happened. Only 1 happened. Okay, then if another 1 comes, S1 के बाद another 1 comes, what happens? Or another 0 comes, what happens? Okay, here every state has two possibilities. Input can be 0, input can be 1. See here, as long as the input is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, I will stay here only. If 1 occurs, I will be moving for S1 and I don't give any output here. All these cases my output is 0. Okay, S1 का मतलब only 1, 1 has happened. That can be 0, 1 or the starting one also you can read, no problem. Okay, now second one comes 1, 1. Okay, I should give output equal to 1. Okay, because it means that you have 0 1 1. Second one comes, I should give you 1. Next, if another 1 comes, I should give 0. See here, 0 1. Okay, if 0 comes, okay, or 0 1 के बाद 1 can come. Both the possibilities are there, not? I am taking 0 के बाद, it can be 1 or 0. It is ruled out. Now 0 1 के बाद it can be 0 or 1. Now if it is 0 1 0, what I need to do? If it is 0 1 1, what I need to do? This is how we need to analyze the things. Okay, so if it is 0 1 1, okay, I should give my output my 1 and take the last two ones as the first two ones of the next two, and let's move to some state S2. Okay, and 0 1 के बाद if 0 comes, let's make to move to state S3. okay, S3 का मतलब क्या? 1 0. S2 का मतलब 1 1. Okay, so now listen here. 0 1 1, my output is 1. 0 1 0, still 1 0 is there now. If 1 comes, 1 0 1, okay, it is equal to 0 1, but my output is 1. Okay, next here 0 1 0 1 0 के बाद एक और 0 आएंगे तो the last two bits are 0 zeros. Last two bits are 0 zeros means it is like this, it is going to the starting. Okay, so the next bit 1 comes, it will start again from the starting bit. Okay, same way after 1 1, if another 1 comes, I'll give output equal to 1. If another 0 comes, it is equal to 1 0. That's all. थोड़ा सा explanation complex हुआ, but I hope you will be able to understand. I will explain this now. See here, 0 से मैं शुरू कर रहा हूँ, all possibilities ले रहा हूँ. 0 0 0 0 जितना भी 0 सा हो मैं तो 0 पे ही देता हूँ. Output is equal to this is your output. ठीक है, ये आपका input. Okay, so if 1 comes, I will move to the next state. Okay, that it indicates 1 has happened. It indicates 1 0 happened. It indicates 1 1 happened. It is not a state, just मैं indicate कर रहा हूँ. ठीक है. So 1 happened. I'll move here. Then 1 के बाद another 1 comes. 0 1 1. Yes, 1 दे दो. ठीक है. Another 1 comes. 1 1 1 दे दो. 1 1 1 1 1 कितना भी 1 आएंगे तो output 1 हो जाएगा. If 0 1 1 minute, yeah. ओके, 0 1 1 के बाद 0 आएंगे तो भी 1 0 होता है ना. 1 मिनट, ये स्टेट तो गलत है. इट इज इक्वल टू 1 0 ना. ओके, 1 1 0 output equal to 1 0 1, but it will take the last two bits as 1 0. It will go to 1 0. Okay, it is taking the last two bits as 0 1. Based on the last two bits, it may be at 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So I have what we call 4 different states. Better naming is this one. ठीक है, 4 states चाहिए मुझको. Anybody have doubt, you can ask. I hope it is clear to everyone. Comment please. This way we can do, I mean we can detect out of the last 3 bits at least 2 1s है तो आपका output 1 हो जाएगा. This is not a state, just I am indicating the last 2 bits. Please comment here. Unless until you comment, I don't understand whether you are able to understand the things or not. That's why I'll always ask you to comment the things. Okay, that will finish my class for today. Okay, I hope you enjoyed these sessions. If you have already attended my digital sessions on Plus or YouTube, you definitely able to understand the level we discuss in the class or the standard we discuss. Definitely you'll be able to solve many questions of any interview. Many students commented the same after attending my classes. Okay, these are the questions where you apply your common sense. Okay, concept तो अलग नहीं, but आपका common sense आप apply करना चाहिए. ठीक है? So that's all. This is the best content I'm giving you here. You don't get this content anywhere. ऑनलाइन पे पूरा सर्च करो, यूट्यूब में 1,000 वीडियोस भी सर्च करो, आपको ये टाइप ऑफ कंटेंट जो लास्ट 4 सेशंस में हमने किया आपको नहीं मिलेगा. आपको इतना अच्छी कंटेंट फ्री पे मिल रहा है, अच्छी से यूटिलाइज करो यार. Share this piece of information with many of your friends. I will be very happy. They will also able to learn. All I need is only that particular support from your side. Okay, thank you. That's all from my side for today. So Unacademy पे community feature use करो. अब go to Unacademy page. Now it is available in Android app also. Click on community, click on discover and follow your favorite educator. My profile is available on the live chart here. Okay, it is pinned. So this is the batch going to start on June 1st. New batch by Aditya sir. Control systems is going to start here. Okay. So if you want to take the Unacademy subscription, take it as early as possible. Use the code Shankar10. Price is also going to increase. Before that, you can join and enjoy the classes of all top educators. You can call the number 8858585885. Okay, for any queries. Okay, so GATE is going to split into Unacademy pay 4 parts: mechanical and chemical, civil engineering, computer science, electrical, and ECE. So subscribe and what we call this is going to start from June 1st. Access your relevant content. So you can practice or PYQs, etc. Last 10 years ka subject wise tests, everything you can practice with Unacademy. And these are our toppers this year from top 6 in the GATE and ESE. So these are the features of our plus classes. All top educator का classes मिलेगा, top quality classes and doubt clearing पे बहुत focus करते. Interactive classes होता है plus पे and you can talk to the educator using raise a hand etc. With dedicated doubt sessions होता है and you can have the notes which you can access anywhere and test series. आपको physical printed notes चाहिए तो one-to-one mentorship, personalized guidance चाहिए तो आप iconic subscription ले सकते हैं. ठीक है? So thank you very much for your time, guys. Anytime you want to join Unacademy, remember the code Shankar10. Whether you, your friend, anybody want to join this, use this code, you'll be getting the 10% discount, and also depending on the time of offer, you will be getting the best possible discount and also the best possible classes. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed the session. Thank you very much. Love you all. Bye bye. Good night. Enjoy your weekend.